Hello, in this video, we are going to talk about what makes things visible to us. So, let us all start. So, we all know that light is very, very important to see the objects around us. The entire world, the beautiful colors, flowers, everything is visible to us only because of light. But then how does this light enables us to see the things around us? So what actually happens? So what happens is that sun, it is the natural source of light. So sunlight, it falls on the objects. This is sunlight, and we all need to know that sunlight is a natural source of light, and sunlight is also called as white light. But one thing that we all should know that white light, when it falls on any object, now in this case the object is this flower, so a part of that white light will be absorbed by this object, and a part of light will be there which will not be absorbed by the object. So that light which is not absorbed by the object, that is called as the reflected light, right? And this reflected light, it will enter into the observer's eye and will make the objects visible to the observer. So what makes things visible to us? It is the reflected light from any object. It is that light which is not absorbed by the object. It enters into the observer's eye and makes the things visible to the observer. Let us clear the concept here also. So again, we have a source of light. So sun is a source of light, and it is a source of white light. So we all can see that the white light is incident on this object. Again, it is a flower. A part of it will be absorbed, and a part of that light will not be absorbed by the object, by this particular plant. And that part which is not absorbed by this plant, it is called as the reflected light, and this reflected light enters into the observer's eye, and this makes the flower visible to the observer. But if we pay attention in this slide and the previous one, here the flower appears to be yellow, and in the previous one it appears to be red in color. So why does that happen, that one time it is yellow and the other time it is red in color? So now let us understand that light is a form of energy which creates sensation of vision in our eyes. We are able to see the objects, and we can see the objects only in light. If it is absolute dark, we cannot see any object in absolute darkness. So light is very, very important. And second very important feature is that light also gives different colors to the different objects that we see. So now let us understand that how do we see the colors of the objects also. So the color of the object, that we all can see, white light is falling on this leaf, and white light, actually it is sunlight. So sunlight is falling on the leaf, and this white light is made up of 7 colors, which is Vibgyor, and violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now if we see carefully that out of the 7 colors of the white light, violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, and red, they have been absorbed by this leaf. But which light is not absorbed by the leaf? It is the green light. And since it is not absorbed, this is called as the reflected light. And because the reflected light, which is green in color, is entering into the observer's eye, the leaf appears to be green in color. Why? Because the reflected light was green light. It was that light which was not absorbed, and it entered into the observer's eye. Now let us take this case. We can see there is a beetle, and the beetle, the body is appearing to be red in color. So again, white light is falling, is incident on the object, the beetle, and violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, the 7 component colors of the white light. But if we see carefully, Out of the 7 component colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange, they have been absorbed, and only which light is not absorbed? It is red. So we can say that red light is the reflected light. It is the reflected light. It enters into the observer's eye, and that is why it appears to be red in color. But now if we see that there are certain portions that are also black in color. So what makes it black in color? Now let us understand that how can we see, or how do we see any object to be black in color? So now let us see that here the first surface, it is white, and the second surface appears to be black. Now if we see the difference between them, in the first case where the surface appears to be white, or any object appears to be white to us, so why does that happen? So the white light, 7 colors of white light, again they are falling on this surface. And if you see that all the 7 colors, they are being reflected by this surface. So can we say that all the 7 colors, they will enter into the observer's eyes? Yes, all the 7 colors, they will enter into the observer's eyes. It means all the 7 colors, they will again form which color? White, and it makes the surface appear to be white in color. Now let us move on to the second case. Why the surface appears to be black over here? Because white light, the 7 component colors, which are VIB, VIB, GYOR. We can see all the 7 colors, they are falling on the surface. But if we see carefully that all the 7 colors, they have been absorbed by this surface. All the 7 colors, they have been absorbed, and there is no light which is reflected. So what does it mean? That there is no particular light which is entering into the observer's eye. So this appears to be black in color. So remember that when all the 7 colors are reflected, all the 7 colors, they will enter into the eyes, and it will make the surface look white. And if all the 7 colors are absorbed and there is no light reflected, so obviously no light will enter into the observer eye, so that surface will appear to be black in color. Let us understand the very last case, and with this your topic should be clear that what makes things visible to us? It is the reflected light. And what gives different colors to different object? That depends on the type of reflected light that is entering into the observer's eye. So let us see here that here which portion was not absorbed, or which portion was reflected? It was blue color. So that is why it appears to be blue. Here, why this appears to be red? Because it is the red light which is reflected. Why it appears to be white? All the 7 colors are reflected. And why it appears to be black? No light is reflected. All the 7 colors, they are absorbed. I hope with this video, this topic is very clear to you. What makes things visible to us? It is the reflected light from an object. Thank you.